Hello again and welcome back to another vlog, and this time we are staying at the Premier Inn in Leicester city centre. If you're coming by car, there is a car park below the hotel and there are allocated parking spaces for the Premier Inn guests. The lift takes you to the ground floor where the reception is. On the ground floor there's a dining room. There's a bar, vending machines, self-service check-in kiosks and a reception desk. Our room was on the 10th floor and our room number was 1005. In our room there was a double bed. It had the branded purple lighting behind the headboard. The double bed had lights, switches and sockets on both sides of the bed. There was 2 single beds, a desk and chair, a TV mounted on the wall, tea and coffee making facilities, a small wardrobe, a large light up vanity mirror, a hairdryer and a full-length mirror. The bathroom was compact but very functional. There's a large mirror and a sink, complimentary hand wash, a toilet, an overhead shower and bath, there's also a shower gel and extra towels. The next day we went down for breakfast and it was very quiet. They had the usual offering of a typical Premier Inn breakfast. There was hot food, cereals and fruits, pastries, yogurts and fruit salads, and tea, coffee and fruit juices. We really enjoyed the breakfast and it set us up for the day.